You're gonna love the 2018 Toyota Highlander. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. From daily drives to epic road trips, this Highlander has you covered. This 3-row crossover seats up to 8 and offers a smooth, quiet, powerful ride, ample cargo capacity, flexible interior layout, advanced safety and driver assistance tech, as well as conveniences like multiple USB ports, an infotainment system, and multiple climate control zones. Get ready to build some family memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 3rd-row seat, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, rear AC. Make every drive all that it can be in this comfortable and capable Highlander. Our team is committed to giving you the best possible customer service. Why not stop by for a test drive today?